Hello. Sorry for that double out there for a second. And this one I'm gonna move over here. Yeah. Yeah, well, welcome back, everyone. So yeah, what we're gonna do is make this crate system completed. Add a crate and then you have to click until it opens. But I believe I made so it actually happens when you complete it. Nothing. I got nothing. Why? So apparently I'm gonna fix a bug first. Find it there maybe. Crates. This one is the crate currently. All crate. This one didn't work by some reason. Oh, you have to confess what? Just starting off good. But open up, brother. Ah, yeah. I figured as much actually. But no worries. No worries, no worries. So, today, I promise. Yeah, I gotta try to remember to upload a new video today as well. Hey, that's James' head. No, go away. We don't like seeing her. So yeah, we got a crate system now, but it doesn't work, which is fun, I guess. New people. So yeah, what the problem is probably here somewhere, I guess. Oh yeah, what happens is I'll calculate how, like, I reduce the click. Okay. See you soon, Biko. Yeah, I reduce the click after I've checked if it's 0 or less. And I actually gotta fix this by just doing this. Why? Well, for the simple reason that I want this to actually work, having an override. When you click in the last time, it's gonna notice that, oh, it's one left, so it's gonna finish. So on. Number of clicks. So that's set crate information. Where do I get this from? It's from the crate handler, yeah. Everything repeated. And this I'm probably gonna change. I think I'm gonna like its own range. Like own max and min value. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a public int max clicks and min clicks. This I should put a base on like 1000 or something, and this should be a base on 100 less. Maybe just 50 or 500. Let's do that. Sounds a bit more even, so to speak. I'm gonna move this all the way over here, just so I can have two shots up at the same time, and I'm gonna close this window. And yeah, let's go back into here and change a few prefabs. It's like a common box. I'm gonna have this pretty low, just maximum 200, 2200. The crate, all crate is gonna be, yeah, I'm gonna need that for that. Actually, I'm gonna just leave it to 100 for now, because I'm gonna test stuff. Sorry. Yeah, I forgot to put it in crate handler. Like now, I don't need to do this here. Instead, crate is gonna have it on its own. So I have to send less stuff through. Let's try it again now. So now if I calculate this right, and stop at 1 now. So now if I click it, it should give me the item and it should disappear. You got a horseshoe. Gosh. Oh, you got a horseshoe there. Oh, yeah, it worked. Fantastic. So now the thing I'm gonna do is to actually save these. And that I'm gonna do in save load there. I'm probably gonna do another of these. Did I crate handler throw into... I'm not throw the crate handler into singletons. Okay. Which means we have to get a hold of that one. We're gonna do it now. Because I need to do that because save and load is gonna get a hold of it. There, and then I'm gonna use it. Before we do anything more about it, we're gonna make another class to save all the data from the crate itself. I don't think I'm trying to save any images yet. wonder we would even do that. How would be a smart way to do this now? Because the problem is that I have a few different crates, probably gonna get more of these. The set item and alt item crate. We got the base crate class. I guess I have to set some kind of identifier, an ID. Public int ID is gonna be a base of 0. And I guess I could do... So I don't have to handle this one whatsoever. I put it as a hide here. I'm gonna take in the int ID from the handler itself. ID this.id is gonna be equal to ID. Then I'm gonna set in that calls in for now a game object. Means I'm gonna change this. Create prefab. This is gonna return instead. This is gonna return an integer. So there's that. I'm gonna say int create spawn ID. Let's create ID that's equal to this thing. I'm not gonna have these, I'm gonna have the straight brackets. Create ID in there. And then I also gonna send this one in here. Which now gives it an ID which I can call. It's always set after the list itself. So in save load I can now do a class like this, serializable public class create data. I'm gonna follow the same as we've done with all these. I'm gonna have a public int called ID. Public int clicks left. That's like the data I need to save, isn't it? Let's check it out. Because now I already know I'm gonna spawn which crate I'm gonna spawn by the ID, because when I take in now, I spawn crates according to the ID from the crate handler. And the ID is an indexer from this list. I don't think there's anything more I need to set here. Oh yeah, that's why I put this one here. But I can still got the this is clicks left is public, so I can call that one. Let's change this a bit. I'm gonna make that into a getter setter. So public int clicks left. Interesting, always. I'm gonna do a get and a set. And then we're going to remove this because it's not going to be a public variable anymore. Underscore private one. All the mods in the chat again. Get this gonna return underscore clicks left. And set this gonna set clicks left equal to value. And then after that we're gonna do this. So move that up there instead. The perfect quote for me. Should I be terrified? Because I am. Okay. Well, I'm terrified, so bring it. Then I also can remove this one because the call gets set always over there. Checksum. What? What should I check? What? I sent you on face cause phone. I'm now just confused. I'm past terrified now. Anyways, let's make another one here. But this one is gonna be crate data array instead. Crates. On Facebook. Okay. That's now I got it. Let's check this out. When I wrote this code, only God and I understand what it did. Now only God knows. Yeah. I got a few of those in my code, or parts of the code I do not understand anymore, I can guess. Alright, assume. Yeah, was it anything more I need to set? I don't care about max clicks, I don't care about min clicks, I don't care about the handlers are gonna set to here, same with storage, blah blah blah. Yeah, those are the two I need to remember. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go change it in these ones as well. God have mercy on my soul, because I won't. Well, are you joining on Friday? I'm gonna go home with Friday and I only got Jumpty with me, so it's a road trip. Again, you will be stuck in Yepis until Sunday, which you probably not want. Yeah, I probably need to make some of these functions again. I don't need two different ones. But one of those. And one of those. We'll see. We'll see. This is gonna be crate data, not a contract data. So this, let's change all the contract data. It takes in a crate variable. I'm gonna change all this to crate instead. Game data. It's in game. Yeah, it's gonna take in game data. Oh. Well, I guess. Well, if you're not going there down, it's an option that we can go. I can ask you again on Friday. So yeah, what's gonna happen here is we're gonna convert it into crates. Crates. Crates from memory. Crate data, blah blah blah. I'm gonna return this one. So now we're gonna do from crate. Let's start with this one. Crate to crate data. I mean, we're gonna get an array of crates, which means we're gonna do crates.id is equal to crates from memory.id crates.i.clicks left is equal to crates from memory.i.clicks left. So that's it. And then we just turn it around for this one. Okay, I messed up there. It's still gonna be this way. We're gonna do clicks left, and this is gonna be data. Oh, it's data dot crates. That's the one I want. And then we do a little c. And then we got the conversion working currently. Which means we're gonna now fill this one up. Let's do a save first. After, let's see, there we do the manager. I'm gonna do another if here. Data.creates.length is greater than 0. Then this can happen. Then we're gonna do data.creates is equal to crates crate to crate data. That's how we're gonna do it. Then we're gonna send in a few. We're gonna have crates from memory, which means we're gonna have a crate handler that creates that array. There we go. That should take all our savings and save it properly for us. I wonder if you can make a bot that would combine all chats and just say which chat have put which, or in which chat the message has come from. I think I'm gonna comment this as well a bit. Bank data. I'm gonna put it in like this as well. Yeah, let's do that. We got stats, data. Mercenaries. Contracts. Crates. Hideout. Oh. Hideout data. Hideout. Collection data. storage died. And put a space there. There we go. And close save, open up load, and let's see, we're gonna go to this one. If data.creates.length is greater than 0, then I'm gonna do this. Create handler that creates meatballs and pancakes. Oh, why not? Before we do the load, we actually have to set in the function in there, here who loads all the crates. Let's change this one, set crate information. Let's change that one. Because I wanna just have this one to actually insert anything in. So we're actually gonna put in another one here called clicks left. It's gonna be equal to 0 for default. And if clicks left is equal to 0, then this can happen. Else we're gonna do clicks left. It's gonna be equal to clicks left. Which means we now could just make a function somewhere. Here, public void load crates. I'm gonna take in a crate array. So crate array crates from file, something like that. And for each crate in crates from file, gonna do new crate. We're gonna take a new one. I'm gonna make a private one of the new crates. We're gonna take in the information itself. It's gonna take the int ID, the int clicks left, and that's about it. The crate.id. Oh, are you a subscriber to? Yeah, you are a subscriber to DR, right? Clicks left. Now I wonder, am I doing extra steps? Oh, really? Congratulations. But yeah, I'm starting to think that I'm doing extra steps right now. Because let's just crate handler dot load crates, and then we're gonna send in crate data to crate. Here we're gonna send in the game data, which is data, and this yeah, it is. But I think actually I'm doing unnecessary steps, the transformation per se. Because I don't think I need to do this transformation at all. From crate data to crate. I do not need to do that actually. I can just go into here. Instead of crate, we're gonna do crate data. Just the same thing. Which means I only have to set here, I only have to do data that creates. And then do that one. Which means I don't need this one at all. And if I'm correct, I don't need those for... I don't need the... I don't need this one. And I don't need this one either. Which means I'm saving a transformation, which means both a lot less code and faster. A lot faster, probably. Yeah, you gotta be a long list of mercenaries and stuff. So let's go into Mercenary Manager. Here we go, it takes in a mercenary list. Exterminate them. Exterminate them all. Can I actually... Here I have a little use of the transformation. Because it got to insert information which takes in a mercenary. Oh fuck. No, please. I didn't even notice the song, I was too into programming. Sorry about that one. Yeah, let's go to... this one. Go to definition. And find all references. We got one, and that's this one. Which means we can also remove this one, yeah. So save load, we're gonna go into mercenary data. This one. Go into mercenary. Gonna take in this one. Should give no errors whatsoever. Oh wait, there it is. Mercenary data does not contain a definition for item IDs. Yeah, I have it now then as well. So if you wonder, that's the one that annoys me the most right now. Mercenary take in got a list of item IDs, but it does not have the items itself. Item info.item IDs. Oh yeah, so what actually... yeah, I just have to change the name. That's easy one. That's easy fix. This one though, we're gonna do static types dot level, and we have transformed it. So let's go back to the Mercenary Manager. We're gonna take in this one instead. And that's it. That's all we have to do. So it's only used there, and also here. Which means we are now another cast gone. Which means we have an error here. Almost data unlocked. Oh yeah, we just have to do data.mercenaries. Which means we cannot remove these two. Mercenary data to mercenary. Yes, gone. Let's see if... yeah, remove the right one. Let's do the same with contracts then. Mercenary Manager, close you, close you. Oh, wait, let's see if I have errors first. For safety reasons. Oh yeah, I don't need this anymore. But yeah, that works, which means we can... Oh, we have contract manager here already. I'm just gonna collapse the definitions and we have load contracts here. And contract data, this one, go to definition. Find all references. This is the only reference. Again, which means we can remove these two. Then we take this one, then go and fix this one, of course. Data contract. So we're now going to contract manager and transform this to contract data. This one will have errors, yep, then transform this to contract data. Info.special contract. Contract data does not contain definition for special contract and no accessible extended here, so blah blah. Difficulty. Then we're just gonna do a cast. Definitely level. And same here. What is saved like in this one? Let's go to contract data. Its type is equal to an integer. Yeah. All we have to do is another cast, but this one instead the type. It's a contract type, yeah. Special contract, it's saved as not all. I have to undo a bit stuff here. I'm gonna look at this one. I'm not setting special contract anywhere. So remove that one. I'll go back up here, fix this again. Then we check into this one. Oh, that's creates this one. Not that one either, this one. We don't use the special contract at all. We got the special ID, that's the one we're looking for. Which means... Okay, let's I'm gonna undo again a few things to get up this one. And we're looking for the special ID. Contract got a special ID? It does. Just gotta keep those there for now. So when does it use? Fuck no. That's annoying. That's good. Annoying. Complete contract. Yeah, we don't need this one. We just do special ID. It's like on special ID. That's it. Let's go see if we have any errors to fix. That one. Why? Who knows? I don't use that one anymore because I fixed it to a button instead. But yeah, let's check this out. Does it work as it should? We got a null reference. Fantastic. We get a null reference there? In the load? Huh? These two I want to get rid of. I don't need those anymore. Let's go back. Object reference not set on instant object. Save load. Object reference not instant object. Yeah. The thing I forgot to do was in singletons I added the crate handler, which I call here, but I never assign it to here, which means we're gonna go void awake and singletons. No, yeah, singletons.crate handler is equal to this. Let's try resetting. I wanna this one. Add more contracts and then close it. Then we start again. Errors and everything works. Yeah. Then we removed like 100 lines of code. Great work, great work. Lovely working. Oh, it's getting warm, would you imagine? So, what were we doing now? We're gonna check the save capacity. I sooner or later have to change my save function, I believe. Actually, just save parts of this. Let's go. Let's take that later. This later. Let's just save this now. We got a new crate here. We do a save load. Let's save. Oh. Singletons.save load. Let's save. And that should be it we have to do. Also, I feel like I gotta go in here. Oh wait, I don't. No mind, no mind. Let's see if this works. We're gonna spawn a crate. Then we're gonna exit the game and see what if we get that crate saved. Add a crate. Go with crate with 47 clicks left. Start the game. And nothing happens. Why? Why does nothing happen? I'm not doing the save at all, am I? Oh yeah, here it is. Let's do a debug.log statement in here. That's gonna be crates from memory dot length. You know, just for the fun of it. And then we go back here. Start the game. Add the crate. Add another crate. Hideout. Let's do more contracts. Now it gets in there. Why? That's the question we're about to find out. There's the error. we're checking the save file, it already exists to create in it, but it doesn't, so why would it ever get in there? We have to create handler that creates that length, that count. That's what we're going for, that's what we're going. That's what we want. Alright. So I've had the crate, we got a null reference, okay. Why? Did we get a null reference? Those two and this one. Crates.add crate. Yes, it adds the crate to the list. The list should be longer than one unit. Which means... which one of you are only... So one of those are null. We don't like null references here, and everything crashes. Nice. So add a crate. Both are 1. Another crate. The null reference comes there. It's crate from memory.add. Why? Like both are 1, which means those are correct. But which one of those are now giving me the error? It's one of the ID ones, so if I do crates 0.id, and we do the save for this one, go back to here and let's start it over again. Probably corrupted my save file, which means I'm gonna start up with a new, this one, storage crate. This one, that ID is not assigned. What? The one who's gonna get the information is not assigned. Obviously, because it's getting assigned out. There. This one is fine, but this one is not fine. Like, it should be 0. I don't get it. It's probably something really simple. Play. Oh. So what am I doing with these two that I'm not doing here? I have absolutely no idea. It's serializable, which means we can do that. Yeah, it's public, everything's public. Skip this song because it sucks and carry on with our lives. Also, Bricko, the live works for me now by some reason. That's something. That's just sad. Anyways, what could I possibly be doing wrong? Oh, probably that one, yeah. Let's try something. Yeah, probably that's the thing I'm doing. I'm making an array with crate data, which I'm assuming it's already in. What I have to do is just create so that I is equal to new crate data. Yeah, this is what I want to do. Let's go back, not into that one, this one. Clear all these because we don't want to see all those errors. Nobody saw those. Did? Let's start. Start with making a new one. We're gonna select this one because we don't care. I'm gonna add a crate. I have another crate. Click this one until it's for the 8, then this one until I can't press this one. Why cannot I press this one? Help! Anyways, let's check that later. I'll start this. We got a crate with 8. No. Two all crates and 4 common boxes. Let's start over. We got a multiplication bug. Instead I got 4 all boxes. Let's add another one. We got 5 all boxes and 3 common. Now I've got 4 of each. Back to got away again. What? Oh, you're just going all around the places, ain't you? We'll see when you go back again, I guess. So apart from this one having, let's check that one first. I don't want to feel, I don't feel like checking that save error yet. Set items crate. This one doesn't work for some reason. Well, whichever works best for you. See you later. Why can I not click those chests? Oh. Great. Great click, that's the one. That's why I couldn't do that then. Problem solved. Let's research, yeah. Take any of these, go to storage, and add a crate. Now we've got 2 crates, 1 each. What was when we start now? Both are all crates. Start again. Why? Now it's a common. Is that... What is this? But yeah, I don't save off the clicks, so which means they will not remember clicks. Simple as that. That's also another reason why I need to make this so it saves part of the game. Times. Anyways, let's try this again. What crates are gonna be this time? It's common boxes. Both of them are common boxes. Let's click this a few times. 84 and 66. Now we start over. 58 and 53. This is not correct. Crate handler, I believe you are to blame. Yes! Because I'm stupid. That's why. So what I've done is I call this function when I'm loading stuff. But I still set random stuff. Instead of this, we're going to do ID there and ID there. Clicks left. It's gonna be here. That's what we're supposed to do. Let's find out if it works. I don't know, when I'm talking like this, I'm probably annoyed. Okay, let's start. Got now 2 boxes. Let's reset, just for safety reasons. We reset. We're gonna take you. We're gonna go to storage. We're gonna add 2 crates. One with 83 and the other one 137. One is a common and one is the all crate. 137 and 83. Fucking fabulous! That's how we wanna roll. Okay, which means we can go over to the save function. Let's see how load works. Load works by checking if it's a file path there. And then it does all this fancy shit. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a save, but actually save. The whole data is gonna be saved here. It's a game data called data. Which means when we're making the start. After load, let's see. This is if file exists, else no files are existing, and let enable higher panel. Instead, we're gonna do DS. Let's not do it in the load file, by the way. We're gonna do it here in the start. Data is gonna be equal to new game data. Which means I'm gonna make a new void save to file. This one is gonna contain this one. Create a file to save to, and then it's gonna insert the data. That's it. That's what I'm gonna do. So now we got all of this into this file. I've always got this one running. Now we're gonna start changing names on. We're gonna have a lot of public void save. Let's see what's first. First was bank. Save bank. Oh, I forgot this one. I'm just gonna copy this or cut it out and save bank data. I'm gonna do let's make a template. Save, close this, save some data. So I'm gonna cut, we're gonna do save stats. Then we're gonna have save it's my game due day, so no. I feel pretty done with Fallout, to be fair. Save the contracts. I will see what happens with it. I might continue on the plan I'm going to. Then we're gonna still have collection and storage. This is gonna be save everything. Okay, then we start cutting this out. This is gonna go in here. This one is gonna go into this one. This one is gonna go into here. I don't think I need the if anymore. I don't think I'm gonna need it actually. Wait, actually let's do it for that safety reason, because actually I call it from several places. So here we go now. Let's outline and collapse the definitions. We go to save, it's gonna be save bank, save stats, save mercenaries, save contract, save crate, save hideout, save collection, save storage. That's what I wanted, was it? Yeah. So now the save calls all of these. Let's find all the references here. I still put quite a lot of like thinking into S for some reason. This is gonna be save mercenaries. What the fuck's this? Epic. This one is gonna have save contract. This one is gonna have save hideout. This one also gonna have save hideout. With this one. And this one. No, this is gonna have save create. It's gonna have save version info, save will say mercenaries. This one is gonna have save create. This one also gonna have save storage. This one is gonna have save mercenaries. It's gonna have save contract. This also gonna have save. Wait, this one is for completed contract, right? Yeah, completed contract. This one actually gonna have the normal save. Because they're saving to so many places. It saves like the contracts, mercenaries, bank, collection, storage. It saves to so many places, it's just gonna keep the save there. This one is save storage. No, that's storage. This one is gonna be also save storage. This one is also save storage. Oh wait, they're gonna have also another one, because I also need to save the mercenaries. Let's, because it's gonna be used on more places, let's do a void save. Let me do just put these two, cut them out and put them in here. And just do save there. Same with this one, save. You as well, save. Okay, by the way, let's go through these for safety reasons now, because I do not... I don't actually need to call save on all of these. Let's see. Unbind is gonna say both, yes. You're gonna say both. You is bind item, you're also gonna say both, yep. You are bind item again, you're also gonna save to both of them. You are remove item, you're also gonna save to both. And got you, who's remove item with ID, you're also gonna save to both. And then we got this one. You are add item with ID, you don't have to save to both, you only have to save one. Let's go a little bit further. Contract is gonna save to a lot of things. It's gonna save to contract itself, collection, then it's gonna save to mercenaries, save to the bank. Which should it? It's gonna save to everyone. I don't have to do this. Because it's gonna spawn crates, it's gonna save to crates, it's gonna save to items, it's gonna save to mercenaries, contracts, bank, stats, collection. That's all 7, isn't it? Let's close all of these and see what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the only one that doesn't save to is hideout. That's the only one. Which means it's not necessary for me to remove that. I can still save to the good one. So let's see how this works. I did this to increase the speed, which you... Oh wait. This is not gonna work because I do not save to this one. This one's gonna be put on everyone. Except the one who saves everything. That ones do not need. Here's where I'm gonna put, since I have the if sats, I can use it. This one does not need it because all of these save. It doesn't need it itself. Carry on. Okay, let's do... We're gonna buy that. We're gonna hire another mercenary. We got a contract. We don't need a collection yet, but we don't need that. And then we're gonna add a new crate. And then we had spy also full that one and some storage. And let's click this to get an item. I'm gonna remove that one later, don't ignore that one for now. Keep. There we got the car. Let's add more contracts as well and then we close. We start again. An argument cannot be null. Oh my god. Argument cannot be permanent to collection. Check collection. Collection. That should be here. Why? Try again. Where exactly do we get that? Argument cannot be null. Singleton's where? Singleton's collection. Type collection. Yeah, because they save collection actually to contract manager and mercenary manager. Where do you get 0 is given there. Same mercenaries, mercenary to mercenary data, mercenary manager. Away. Why? Collections in actual list. No, that's not. I'm checking the wrong collection. Save loads 39, which is probably up here, right? Wait, 39 is up here. So load. And then 176, which is here. Load. Mercenary manager is not set to an instant of an object. Är fåkiness, isn't he? All references. This is the higher panel. Okay. Save load, this is in higher as well, this is the sleeping area, mercenary collection. Why did you send me a picture? What is? Now, question. Why did you capture that? Not the most flattering, I guess. Okay. This is probably where I fail. Tried some shit. Tried. It's a E. Change the Y to a E and the I and the E. Go to definition. I'll look at special marinades and well, actually, let's go back to this one. No, not that one. I'm gonna go to. Didn't I open that one? You tried. At least you tried. Find all references. Mercenary collection, this is the one. And actually I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna take this one, move it all the way down here, close this one and go into save load. And where it loads... Wait, does it load at the mercenary manager? Just doesn't load anywhere yet, which means we gonna do here. I don't have the collection somewhere, by the way. Does this guy have collection? He does not have a call to collection either. Which means mercenary collection. I need something to call to this one. I probably need to put this into singleton as well, for safety reasons. Public static mercenary collection, and another one for contracts, and then another one for items. So what we're gonna do here is we actually gonna do a void awake singletons dot mercenary collection is equal to this. Then I want to go into collection, which is over here. We do item collection, now the same thing. This is gonna be item collection. Q. Oi. Oi.
How's it going?
Almost. Oh, the code got like 100 lines shorter because I did unnecessary stuff.
No.
Yes.
Report.
Yes, I know.
Gotta call the cops on.
Shit, this is getting awkward. Okay, now I'll call off these. This one also gonna move down into this one. Then I'm gonna remove this one. I'm going to save load. Load. This actually have to be on load collections. We're gonna do singletons dot mercenary collection dot load collection singletons dot contract collection dot load collect load. What? Oh. Load contracts. Load contracts. Load collection. And then lastly item dot item collection dot load collect dot load collection. Thank you very much. Go have fun watching movies, I guess. And thanks. You. So our next step in the master plan is to check if it works. Clear this and start. We got an argument that cannot be null. It's the same fucking thing. Nothing has changed. Which means we're gonna do this. We're gonna revert everything back to normal. It was before, because it was so much easier. This one is still gonna be here though. Because that one, then I don't need the line in here. Start. Yes. And this one is gonna get moved into here, and this is gonna move into load collection. Close this one, say move on to this one. Then I'm gonna check why. What happens if I do this? Do we get errors? Let's find out. We get an error. Why are you still here? Go away. You're not supposed to exist anymore. Clear this, let's start it over. Where do we have an error? Let's reset. Yes. This, select Argument cannot be null. Tell me where. Save load 68. Line 68, folks. Storage that unlocked items is equal to new data than unlocked items. Like, is this the one that is complaining about that it doesn't load these? Okay, so this is what we're gonna do on all the places. This is just a lot of null checks to see if it has gotten something. Argument cannot be null, but where? 177. What is 0 here? Unlocked items, what are you? You are a list, which means we're gonna do a check. Check if you're 0. If unlocked items dot length is greater than 0, then we're gonna do this. Let's, by the way, let me remove all of these. I'm actually gonna move these up to also this is gonna happen. Yeah, I should go and do it at start instead. So what I'm gonna do is, while bank is equal to null, this can happen. While stats is equal to null. While mercenary manager is equal to null, and so on, so on, so on, so forth. Actually, I wonder if I should not put this into a coroutine. Just so several processes can run at the same time. Oh. This is gonna be before the load, otherwise I set it to 0 after I've filled it with information, which is pretty stupid. Let's, by the way, see if this actually gives me the amount of error I hope it does not do. Gonna be little c. Go back into here, clear this one. Yeah, probably the thing was I was trying to load an array that did not have any elements in it, which gives us the null reference. It's still fucking there. Holy shit. Let's do this, add more contracts and close. I was not that lucky, there was just an error in the save file. Data that unlocked items is nothing. Let's make so I'm setting this 10 now so they cannot be 0 at default. But the length is still 0, but the item itself is not. You absolute dick twat. Why do you do this? There we go. Because I ran this system. So let's buy some storage space. We got no balance. Why is our balance 0? Oh fuck. Oh, even here is a 0, which means we are going to go to layout panel bank and the balance is to 300 million. That's 0. That's also 0. What the actually? What the heck is going on here? This is not what the founding fathers intended at all. Okay, now we've got cash. Something if we stop and then start again. Ah yeah, what happens is we're saving stuff, but we're never saving the bank money. That's pretty shite. So let's go through all the saves, I suppose. Or cut this one out as well. Because this one is gonna be like to everyone except itself. So we don't have to call it twice. Just unnecessary. My eyes are tearing up again. I don't like it. Do like this. Let's go back here again. check it out, see what happens. Hopefully we do not die. So let's reset. Yeah, let's reset. Go to this one, buy more contracts, close this, start again. Contracts, it does not save though. More contracts. And more contracts. There we go. Contracts for days. 1, 2, 3, 4. Contracts do not save. This one is saving pretty bad as well. I think what I should do after we load it, if it does not find a save file, we're gonna also do enable higher panel. Let's go to this one, or the higher class. It's a higher panel there, and this is the higher. This one we want to have a hold of, because after we make mercenary select, finish selection here. Through here we're actually gonna do singletons.save. Cause we kinda, or let's actually move this. That's not bad. Like the first time, it's the first time we're gonna save everything. Everything. Like glorious data. Yeah. Add more oh wait, we're gonna reset everything first. Click on new and select. There we got 2, we're gonna add some more contracts, we're gonna go buy some storage slots, we're gonna buy some entertainment. And some communication. Then we close, then we start. Let's see what happens. We should have 3 storage slots, yes, nothing collection. This is right, this is right, this is right. This is the only thing that's not right. There's something terrible going on here. The contract doesn't save. Or doesn't load, whichever it is. It doesn't save. Save, hide a contract, here we go. Contract managed, contract account is creating that, and then we're gonna save. Hello. And I missed the spot. Let's go back here again. We're gonna see if it saves to the file. Go in more contract, this say nothing says hello. It does not say hello me. Which means here we got save contract, do this and do this. Contract manager dot contracts dot count. We got 15 minutes left to go, then we'll be done with the stream for today. I believe my clock is fucked up. Clock is now... Oh wait, it is 38. I'm just looking at the wrong thing. Never mind, carry on. More contracts, more contracts. It does not call it. Why? Let's go warehouse, get lock itself for now. Go to hideout. More contracts button. Call this one. Right, it calls. More contract one called the contract manager that add new contracts. And new contracts go through here we go. The contract term is not put to this. Yeah. checks if it's okay. If not, then we return. Otherwise, we create new contracts here. Why do I have save mercenaries? Let me save contract. That's what we're looking for. Simple as that. Oh. Warehouse is gonna be on that side of the panel. There we go. That's a bit cleaner. Wouldn't you all say? Add some more contracts and then we close. We got now 4 contracts, should spawn. There we go. That's all the contracts here. Oh, I've got the orchard. Hell yeah. Close and start, because that's a special mercenary. Let's see if this gives errors. We got no errors, collection, mercenary. Everything's locked. Something's terribly wrong. Oh yeah, the problem is probably lying in... Where are you? Not the collections. Not those. Not that, not that, not that, not that. This one. When we do add new mercenaries. Add new mercenary. Special mercenary. It gets the index of this one. Index is unlock special mercenaries. So here we're gonna do singletons, that's save load, that's save collection. That's the one, isn't it? Save collection takes care of, yeah, the special completed special concern with special mercenaries. Let's find the 5-second contract for fun. We got this one, which we do not want. Okay, wait, I'm gonna reset. This one is disabled. I'm gonna take this one. We're gonna upgrade this. We're gonna upgrade this. We're gonna upgrade this. We're gonna upgrade this. Then we do stop and start again, just to see that everything works. No errors. Yeah. Yes. And we hire mercenary. That's great. Select. He's now there. Close and start again. There we go, Gray's done. Then we're gonna go into hideout contract list because I want to have this one and create contracts. You'll know. Oh. No. Special contract. Dragon. It's legendary. Seize this man is rare. This one is I want this 5-second one because I don't feel like waiting an hour. It's gonna take a while. Let's actually reset. This location, higher level contracts, I don't care. Strong merchant is higher because 5-second contract is a common one. Then we do bedrooms. Oh, and then we just keep going until we real mercenary. Orchard, oh. Orchard's there. Nothing interesting. Or not the one we want, with other words. Let's clear the list. Man, I have no luck at all right now. Where is it? Let's stop this for a moment. Go into here, then go to special contract. Where is it? Get special contract ID. Oh fuck. I don't want to do that. I want to open this. I found why. We're gonna do an OR here. The special contract is equal to common. We're gonna have to do the same for mercenary manager. Special mercenary. Did we have the same for like storage or something? Applying clubs to definitions. Now check if it's the right level. Okay, well, let's go back. We got an error. Fantastic. Difficulty. It's gonna be level. Thank you very much. Carry on. So I'm probably gonna stop streaming after this works. Probably. Let's get tested properly. Everything seems okay for now. Then we're going to contracts. We do this. Yeah. Still common, which means. There we go. We'll take this one, Yeah, it is 7. I don't want to take the chance, even though I know that it's 100% successful. We got Orchid with 5-second contract. There we go. I forgot to purchase storage stuff, didn't get the item. Jesus. No. Oh no. Have you checked out my YouTube channel? There you go. It works. Let's add a crate. Let's see. Close that one. 49. It's on all crate. It's still there. Nice. And then we're gonna open it. You got brass knuckles. Add a crate. 38. Come on. Oh wait. This one. Let's buy that. Now we got the storage slot. Close it. Open it again. The storage does not save. This one saves. This one. Probably this one as well. But storage does not. It does not. Okay. We're about to find out why. We got the warehouse here. We got the warehouse. It saves storage. It's gonna save hideout. I'm just mentally retarded, carry on with your days. And now we go here and do buy those two and then close and start again. There we go. Then we're gonna open a crate to get an item. And another crate, this one I'm gonna open as well. So now it doesn't ask, which is not nice. But still, we got the horseshoe, we got the brass knuckles, let's go to hideout. Or shit, you're gonna get the horseshoe. And then we close. Start it up. Let's see. Horseshoe still got the horseshoe. Still bound to the horseshoe and that everything works. We still need to get this one to work properly. It doesn't ask. Why? Storage dot add a random item. Go definition. I'm gonna add this. Thank you. Check another thing first. Nope. Storage that add random item. I'm gonna go to storage. Add random item is over here, which should start a coroutine. It doesn't though. It just doesn't. Why? Let's open the rest of the crates. It just doesn't go by that. Why? Let's start this, reset it. Because I'm just resetting very much. Select. We're gonna buy some storage, we're gonna buy some, no, not communication, but this one and this one. Stop, start again. Then we go into hideout. Contracts again, because what we're looking for is the that one works fine. Just one that we get where we get an item. I'm gonna check this. We got brass knuckles. Keep. Here. Let's see here. So this one works, but the other one doesn't? What? Like, what is the difference? It's exactly the same. Let's go. Add item with ID. Find all process. This one. Loads item. This one. Coroutine and with this one. Use the set item crate. Add item, then it's gonna be items drop. That's actually gonna return this one here. Don't need ID. Just need that one. Let's make another one here in storage and item. How do you even convert that one? Int array I is equal to new. I is equal to new int. That's gonna be this one. And just return I there. Int array. Does this one even work? Let's find out. But yeah, we solved it, everything works again, we've optimized it quite radically today, which means we're done. Anyways, a few shoutouts. I still got a YouTube channel, it's in the description on Twitch. Also exclamation mark YouTube for that. Same with the Discord and Twitter. Even though I'm not very active on Twitter, so Discord, YouTube is your best bet to find me. Which reminds me, I'm gonna go upload a new video. Anyways, thanks for watching everybody. Until next time.